Now we're heading towards our guest room and my office. We love to entertain people and have people stay with us. And around this time of year, we have a very, very special guest that haunts our abode. I see he's left a jacket. Oh, and a hat, too. All right. So, Schnitzel, you don't need to eat that. She must have found something delicious. Quit it! Alright, Santa's got his slippers there, his boots here. And this is the time of year when my office turns into the Polar Bear B&B. Another Heather Goldmine piece, of course. He checks his mail. He has a little snack. There's a little elf trying to get at that, isn't he? And, Evan, you're being watched from behind. You might want to... Silly little elf.